In this video, you're gonna learn about the Color Target TextMeshPro component inside the DoozyUI. Let's get started. The Color Target TextMeshPro component changes the color of a TextMeshPro text depending on the active variant of the selected theme. Basically, you have different themes, and these themes have variants: light, dark, red, blue, whatever. And you will be able to change the color of that text. In order to use it, you need to have TextMeshPro installed and also enabled. So the integration needs to be enabled. Otherwise, it will not work. And here I have three themes: another theme, general theme, and my theme. And they all have some color properties defined. So I'm able to change from one variant to another. So let's create a TextMeshPro text. And here I need to add a Color Target TextMeshPro. In order to do that, I just add component. And here I can say Doozy, themes, targets, and I'll look for Color Target TextMeshPro. Or I can simply write color and they will appear and I'm able to select it, Color Target TextMeshPro. Right away, it will select the first theme in my database, in this case, another theme because they're alphabetically sorted. And I can see that the active variant is 1. Of course, when we change the variant, it will also change the color. And we can also select what color property we're using. So I'm going to use, for this particular example, accent 1. And when I change to variant 2, as you can see, the color changes. Of course, I can also override the alpha value if I want to have the color semi-transparent. And when I change the color, it will retain the alpha value. It will change the color, but with the fixed overridden alpha value. Of course, here I'm changing in the editor, and this also works at runtime. There are different systems. And here I have 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3. And in my graph, I have one graph that has 3 portal nodes that listen for each of these buttons. And they have a theme node that activates a variant. So button 1 will activate target variant 1 of the another theme. Button 2 will activate variant 2. And button 3 will activate variant 3. Let's enter play mode. So now I can say 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, the variant changes right away. We can also see that here. So if I change it to 1, we have 1, 2, and 3. And here you can see the graph react. And that's it for the Color Target TextMeshPro. Thank you.